GROHE Sense is the smart water sensor that never sleeps. It responds to the presence of water where it shouldn't be. This stylish device detects flooding. It's easy to install. Just download the GROHE Ondas app, insert the batteries, place the sensor on the floor near the potential source of leakage, register and follow the simple step-by-step instructions. In less than 10 minutes, you're protected. As soon as the device detects unwanted water, a red light flashes and a buzzer sounds. And as it's wireless LAN connected, GROHE Sense alerts you by push notification via app and email. It also measures the humidity and warns you, perfect for cutting the risk of condensation. In addition, the sensor measures the room temperature and warns you in case of a frost risk. And the long-life batteries last up to 4 years. No hiding place for water. For every situation, there's the right GROHE Sense. The smart water sensor for your home. GROHE Sense. Before a drip becomes a flood.